Hi, myself Chandrakant Kali, a retired teacher of physics, having more than 40 years of teaching experience in physics. Now I am here sharing my three secrets of my success, what I am doing now. So this will helpful to fulfill my vision and my mission. I want to make the 10th to 12th standard student smart learning about basic physics and also draw the diagrams correctly and score more in physics. So this is my vision and mission is there. So for that there are three secrets I am sharing now. The first secret is about a smart techniques of drawing diagram. Up till now you have seen that number of video channels are there, YouTube channels are there, the teachers are teaching in class about physics. Diagrams they drawing on the board and big diagrams are there on the board, and in books small diagrams are printed. Actually students have to draw the diagrams on A4 size paper when they are writing answers in examination. So there is no ideas how to draw, what dimension to take, how to complete correct diagram within short time. So due to my experience of physics teaching, I have done the research on this. I have developed techniques for smart drawing, and I have developed the techniques in that. I have particular dimensions you have to take and particular line first you have to draw, and we have to rotate the ruler properly such that entire correct diagram can be drawn. And due to this, time is saving, and also the technically correct diagram the students should draw. So I have posted a number of videos based on these diagrams in YouTube channel, and also I have written blogs related with this. So this is my secret. So you cannot find such any things in other YouTube channels, and so this is my unique secret is there. Techniques of drawing diagrams on A4 size sheet. This is the first secret. The second secret is, so because of this drawing, so these diagrams are focused to definite physical meaning behind the topic. They help the understand the topic correctly and properly. They create interest in study physics. Less time is required to draw the diagram by smarter techniques. They create habit of neatness, accuracy and so on. They give proper impression on the required diagram. So this is first secret. Now for this purpose you can refer my blog and also YouTube channels. Now second secret is there is relationship between physics and spirituality, and in general science and spirituality. So after retirement I have gone through a number of workshops and other things. I am relating all ideas of laws of physics and spirituality. A number of such based on that I have developed the lectures, and also I have posted the videos on YouTube, and I have written blogs on this also. Presently, with relation with this, I am working with as a counselor for career selection for students of 10 to 12 standard student up to graduate level also, based on psychometric tests in association with TAS, that is Talent Assessment and Analytical Services from Pune. So here this software is given, which is patented software. So on online test students will give, and from that online test a 20-page analysis will be given. In that personality, skills, learning style, multiple intelligence, what field they are interested and so on. To suit all these, career, three careers out of 20,000 careers available now today, proper guidance will be given. So I have done guidance for more than 50 students now. So this is relation with physics and spirituality. Also, I have written blogs and YouTube channels, videos and so on. You visit these there. This is my second secret. Relation with science and spirituality. Now the third is clarity of basic physics. So number of basic ideas about physics are not properly taught in the class. So students will learn and reproduce in the examination, got the mark, but they are not knowing exact meaning of that basic physics here. Because of my experience, I have started clearing the subject basic physics on the different concepts and relating the topic to the everyday life. Now, for example, we know that when the current is flowing in the conductor, when the battery is applied, everyone says that all the electrons are moving towards positive, which is not correct actually, because electrons are in random motion, and when the current is applied, battery is applied, the random motion will not suddenly stop. The random motion is superimposed upon motion towards towards positive. So this can be related with a procession. When Ganpati festival and so on, when procession going on, suppose legend players are there, if they are playing, along with the play they are moving forward, random motion is going on, also they are moving forward. This is like flow of electron in the conductor. Like this, number of ideas are developed and make the physics properly. So this is my third secret. Like this, I can teach physics, spirituality and technology applied to our life and making our life happiness, and also learn physics properly, enjoying without taking burden. These are my three secrets. If anyone interested, you can contact me. So through blogs, that is blogs details will be available on YouTube channels and so on. Thanking you